Good morning students, I am Pooja Sharma, I am your science teacher. Now today I am telling you about first chapter of chemistry, that is chemical reactions and equations. So firstly I am giving you about the knowledge recognize chemical changes. That means firstly we will take any of the reaction which has many types of changes, just like we are writing a chemical equation, just like this is reactants, that means this is left hand side and this will give the product, that is right hand side. That means what is the symbolic equation? That means we are taking a rough example for it, that is hydrogen plus oxygen, it gives water. That means this is product. These are reactants of the reaction, hydrogen and oxygen, and finally it gives the product, that is water. This is product. Okay. Now I am taking the next example for it, that is hydrogen plus oxygen. Exactly this is skeletal equation or skeletal reaction. Now I am changing these names into their symbols. Just like hydrogen, we will write this like hydrogen H2 and oxygen, this is O2. Okay. Hydrogen is existing in gaseous form as well as oxygen is existing in gaseous form, and finally it will give the product, that is H2O. H2O will exist in liquid form. So how can we identify the reaction? This is a chemical reaction. How can we identify this is a chemical reaction? Because this is existing both of the reactants. Both of the reactants means hydrogen plus oxygen. These both are existing in gaseous form, and finally it will give the product, that is H2O, water. This will exist in liquid form. This is necessary to write down the physical states of the reactants as well as products. Okay. Now I am taking you next example to explain you what is chemical reaction, that is CO2. This is carbon dioxide, and we have already taken these type of examples in 9th standard. What is chemical reactions exactly? This is CO2. This is also existing in gaseous form, and this one H2O is existing in liquid form. CO2 react with H2O, but some of the few conditions, just like light, chlorophyll, this is important or necessary conditions for a chemical reaction. So the final product we will see that this is C6H12O6. What is the exactly chemical name of this product? Is this is glucose. We have already taken this type of examples in 9th standard also. This is glucose. This is energy. We have already know this. This is energy, glucose. Plus O2 and the byproduct H2O. Both are byproducts. These are byproducts. What is exactly byproducts? That means this is our main product, glucose, and these are our byproducts, oxygen plus H2. But when we are taking any of the chemical reaction, it is necessary to complete the reaction with their physical states as well as balancing of a chemical reaction. In next class, we will take about the next chemical equations and some of the examples which contain different type of examples. Those are having conditions, physical states as well as balancing of the reaction. Now I am taking you a rough example, just like CO2. It has a rational number 6, that means to complete a reaction, plus 12H2O. It gives final product, that is glucose, plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. That means by the help of this reaction, we will study about the law of conservation of mass, that is given by Dalton. Next class, I will tell you about what is exactly conservation of mass. Thank you. Now, we will take our next topic, that is steps to balance and chemical equation. I have already told you what is exactly chemical reactions or what is chemical equations. That means I have already told you about skeletal reaction. So now I am taking you the example of AlBr3. This is a metal, aluminium. This is aluminium bromide react with chlorine gas and it will give the final product, that is aluminium trichloride plus Br. that is existing in gaseous form. So now I am taking you the examples in regarding to balance a chemical equation. What is exactly balance? So firstly, we will take a rough reaction for it, just like CO2 plus H2O. I have already told you about this reaction in pre-formal classes or in a reaction type. Just like this is a reaction, this is CO, carbon dioxide. It is reacting with H2O, this is existing in liquid form, and the final product will be glucose, oxygen and H2. So, what is exactly balancing of chemical equation? First condition, this is physical states. These all are physical states of a chemical reaction. When we will write down the chemical reaction, it will start with reactants. Presence of reactants will be shown by the help of plus symbol. This plus sign is important to show that means these are presence of reactants. And this is arrow sign. Arrow sign, that means this is completion of a chemical reaction. Second is physical states. These are physical states. Physical states is write down is very important to complete a reaction. That means which type of reaction it is, or that means how many types of chemical changes in a chemical reaction will be occur. So this is CO2. This is existing in gaseous form. React with H2O. H2O is existing in liquid form and it will give the final product, that is glucose, which will be existing in a solid form, and the byproducts oxygen, this is existing in gaseous form, and H2O existing in liquid form. This is second type. That means firstly, again I am giving you idea, these are reactants. So firstly we will use plus sign for the reactants. Second is to write down physical states of reactants as well as products. Okay. Now third one is reaction conditions. What will be the reaction condition to complete a chemical reaction? That means just like we are taking a reaction of photosynthetic reaction. This is photosynthesis. That means by the help of photosynthesis, plant can easily complete their life cycle. This is photosynthetic reaction, carbon dioxide plus H2. So, what is the necessary condition for the reaction? Light and chlorophyll. This light is very important to complete a reaction because this is important for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is exactly the source of food formation for the plants. So, next is chlorophyll. This chlorophyll is important for the plants because they are green in color, and this chlorophyll will give the help to form food. So, the final product is glucose. This glucose is very important for us. Exactly, this is the final product of the reaction, as well as this is a product which is important for us. For humans especially, we can say it is important for humans. And these are side products, that is oxygen and H2. So, firstly, we have already written plus sign for the reactants. Second is physical states of the reactants as well as products. Third one is chemical reactions for the reaction. And last one, I am giving you idea just like which type of chemical change. That means this is absorbing the energy or releasing the energy in a chemical reaction. So next class I will tell you about more of the chemical reaction. Thank you.